Port Huron Michigan. Hey guys, there's a CN eastbound train coming. Departing Port Tunnel Yard, so gates should go down. It's coming. That sigнал's all red because the eastbound's moving. Cool, I haven't seen the eastbound here in a while. But I didn't get to see a eastbound here. Coming. I like the new crossing bells, you know, the sound. You're gonna knock it. There we go. They always seem to go down early for the eastbound, you know, because the tunnel, you know. That's what I'm thinking. Kind of interesting. Alright, here comes. Hello. Like it's got 2 or 3 engines. It looks like 2 or 1. I can't tell. But for light, it's hard. It's coming pretty quick. Comes Port Huron, Michigan. That was a big westbound too. Alright, Port Huron, Michigan. I think 2 or 3. Huh? I think it's just 2. I can't tell. There you go, buddy. Boy, I will, and then. Sorry. Here it comes. Yep. 2 engines. Might be an M384. Might be real late, you know. Could be. There goes. Not sure which train it says yet. It could have been from Mount Clemens, I don't know. Might have been from Mount Clemens or if it is, it's northbound, but going in the tunnel right now. Nice. Alright. You know what? It might be an M384. It is. It's CN M384 northbound train. Really late and early, you know? That's what it looks like. Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah. I think it's M384. Because I see flatbed, you know? There's autographs coming. Yeah, this one's a northbound. I think so. Find out after you get train in, but I think it's a northbound train. Yeah. I think you're right. Yep, CN M384 northbound train, I can tell. That's a long. Oh, it's up there. Sorry. There's the yellow autograph. I can tell it might be northbound. There's hydrogen. Yeah. remember when you're filming and want to get a good video, you don't want to talk too much, because I like to talk. I know. There goes Port Huron, Michigan. It's going fast now. Port Huron, Michigan.